Hello all, so this is Simple Biology and today we are going to discuss the topic light harvesting complex. By name, it seems difficult, but don't worry, we are going to make it very interesting. So without any delay, let's start our topic. So in this, what we are going to discuss involves what is LSC, what are the component of LSC, processes involved in the transmission of energy from antenna molecules to the reaction center and reaction center to the first electron acceptor, and then LSC1 and LSC2. So photosystem, as we have studied in earlier classes that there are two types of photosystem. First one is PS1, another is PS2. Then each photosystem consists of two parts, which includes first LSC, which is light harvesting complexes, which involve LSC1 for PS1, LSC2 for PS2. Then reaction center. So the reaction center is chlorophyll A, which is core pigment. Then what this LSC made of? So this LSC made up of pigment molecules, which involves accessory pigment that are chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, phycoerythrin, carotenoids, etc., and proteins, which involves LH1 and LH2, which is made up of phycoerythrin, phycocyanin, allophycocyanin. Then in next slide you can see there is absorption spectra of antenna pigments given below. So this chlorophyll A molecule, which absorb the light at wavelength 450 to 475 nanometer and 650 to 675 nanometer. Then chlorophyll B, which shows a peak value at 453 nanometer and 642 nanometer. Then carotenoids, so this absorbs the wavelength at 450 to 470, shows the peak value at 450 to 475 nanometer. Then these are the structure of chlorophyll molecule as well as accessory pigments. Then let's start our topic. So in case of LSC, the first question arises that where it is present over. So it is located at the thylakoid membrane, and which consists of pigment molecules, reaction center, and primary acceptor of electron. Then as we have discussed that there is presence of LSC1 for photosystem 1, and here the reaction center is P700. So in LSC1, that is light harvesting complex 1, which is permanently bound to a photosystem 1. So it is permanently bound to photosystem 1 via the plant specific subunit, which is PSAG. It is made up of 4 proteins that are LSCA1, LSCA2, LSCA3 and LSCA4, all of which belong to the LSC for chlorophyll A or B binding family. This LSC wraps around the PS1 reaction center. Then this PS1 is a large multi-protein, multi-pigment complex. So PS1 is a complex of 17 protein subunits dominated by PSA and PSAB and 178 prosthetic groups, which involves mainly chlorophyll. Then this LSC second. So the LSC second is always associated with photosystem second and are integral membrane proteins that form a ring-like structure, oligomers of alpha-beta heterodimers in the photosynthetic membrane of purple bacteria. They contain a large number of chromophores organized optimally for light absorption and rapid light energy migration. Then structure and function of photosystem second and LSC second complex. So PS2 is a multi-protein complex that function as a dimer This diagram represents a monomer. So this is the conserved reaction center core, which is made up of protein D1 and D2, and inner antenna pigments, which are CP43 and CP47. The oxygen evolving Mn4CaO5 cluster is on the luminal side and shielded by the more divergent extrinsic protein. Then in plants, LSC second assemble as a trimer. So here you can see they are assembled as a trimer. Each monomer of LSC second from spinach includes, so this is the monomer of LSC second which is extracted from a spinach. So it includes 1 polypeptide, 14 chlorophyll and 4 carotenoids. This LSC second trimer, so here you can see this LSC second trimer